I drive past Moreno's food truck all the time and I'm finally giving it a taste today. Got some tacos, salsa, guac, carne asada. What is going on? Three fire trucks and 4 police cars drove past me. Oh my gosh, it's right in front of me. Why is it stopping? I hope everything's okay. Should we go follow it? That is the 4th. It's the pork. Wow, that was so juicy. Hands down, I prefer the pork one. The queso burrito was steaming hot. Oh my god, it's hot. Salsa? It's so spicy. Why is it so spicy? Let's take another bite. It's so cheesy. There's so much meat. And the guy also got my order wrong, so he gave me a free queso burrito. Oh, excuse me. Someone just pulled up in front of me. This is so awkward. Horchata. I feel like it's a little watery, but it's still good. Thanks for watching, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Bye.